So now we're going to do a cable flag. As you can see, you got a lot of selections up here. All right, cable wrap, faceplate, all sorts of ones. But we're going to do a cable flag. So select cable flag. Now you can see there's a couple of different layouts that you can use here. I'm going to go ahead and because I want to repeat the identifier on both sides, I'm going to keep it as set. Your flag length. All right. Now, again, it's going to be the length of flag on either side of the cable. So in this case, it's set at 1.2 default, but I can change that. So let's go ahead and do 1.5 inches. Your cable diameter, again, you select the OD. And then the orientation down here, you can see I can change it different ways. All right. I'm going to keep it as set. And then what you want to do is hit the OK button. It comes up with a blank screen. At this point, I'm going to serialize the job. I am going to build a job on the printer instead of hand typing individually. So what I'll do is I'll press in my identifiers, A01-01. I will hit OK. Next thing I do is I'll go down here to the serialize button on the bottom. I'm going to serialize. Now, as I move this cursor, make sure that if I'm going to select the 0, that cursor is on the left of the 0. At this point, I hit OK. I'm going to right arrow to the 1. I'm going to hit OK. The machine is going to ask, how many flags do I want? And we'll just go with 24. All right. You're going to hit OK. You can even preview it. There's your preview. So I'm going to escape out of there, and we're going to print a few here. So again, when you go to print, your options are going to be everything, all 24, currently what's on screen, or range. I'm going to select range. In this case, I'll go, I don't know, 1 to 5, and hit the print button. Now with the half cut feature, it's going to print off the entire strip of the flags. The half cut feature allows for you to peel off that particular flag and wrap it around the cable. And one more. And then I'll demonstrate that half cut feature for you. And that should be it. So the half cut feature, again, it prints off the entire strip. So what I'll do is I'll come down here to A01, and again, here's your perforated cut. So I will peel this. And again, there's your flag. So at this point, you can go ahead and install the flag. It does leave a line that shows you the center. So when you're basically flagging that cable, put that line along the center of it, and you're all set.